Nithyananda. Today I would like to share with you some more truths from Living Enlightenment book. The book which was written by our beloved Swamiji, His Holiness Paramahamsa Nithyananda. And he actually shared in today's satsangs that when he looked through this book, there's everything he wanted to say is already in this book. And nothing he can add to it. And this book was blessed by him when this book was released. That will give the answer, give the truth which help people to raise themselves. So let me share what came up for me today. It's called Intensity for My First Spiritual Experience. And Swamiji share in here that as a young boy, he has a deep spiritual experience, which was 360 vision and understanding that he's in everything, in the rock he's sitting on, and everything is being part of him. He didn't make that, didn't feel any separation of him or anything around him. And he's saying that what's the difference between the people who meditating for a long time or practicing any spiritual techniques and not having this kind of experience, and him being a young boy and having this deep spiritual experience. He's saying that he was raised by his masters and he only was looking for answer to the question how to get enlightened. So intensity and innocence at the same time made his space to be ripe for this deep spiritual experience. He's also defining the true relationship with the masters and he's saying relationship happens when you are truly impressed by the master. Many times I tell people, just decide strongly connect with the master, it's enough. Feeling connected to the master means just living him. When you live with the master, then you feel intense connected to him. Only then you are expanding. Only then something is happening to you. This has not happened in us because of so many other relationships. So many others person occupy our inner space, and so many others have inspired you or impressed you or given the idea that they are heroes. Just fill your inner space with the master and watch your problem simply dissolve. Ask and you shall be given. Let us stop and ask ourselves, how many of us know how to ask? Sometimes because of our arrogance, sometimes because of our confusion, and sometimes because of our laziness, we get caught in the web of ignorance. We ourselves are not clear what we want to ask. All our engrams and false identities don't allow us to understand the pure love of the divine. We fight with the very compassionate existence that is protecting us and granting us whatever we ask for. If we can just integrate ourselves and sincerely ask with the devotion, we will have the intelligence to ask what our being truly seek. We shall surely be given. And he's given actually beautiful technique, which he was practicing himself, and asking all the time what my master will do. How my master will behave in this kind of situation. And just simply understand that he will not bother. If there's like pain or fear or anything which is blocking us to be integrated with ourselves come up, just simply realize that just give that question, how will my master behave? What will my master do? And have that understanding that will not bother. He will still go for it, what he decided for. So I would like to finish my video with this, and also add invitation to this Jeevan Mukti Jayanti, Jeevan Mukti celebration of release of this amazing book of Living Enlightenment, which is happening on Saturday, March 3rd. And a part of it will be global third eye awakening, and also the fire ritual in which alchemy products going to be made, which called Aushadha. and the information of Living Enlightenment will be stored in this Aushadha. That's the and whoever watch it, this process of initiation and putting this Living Enlightenment information inside will be benefited by this process, will get that initiation happening inside of him. So they certainly should be coming and participating, and you can come to the nearest center, so where you can be in a two-way video conference, or you can, if that's not possible for you, then you can even watch it from home. And I would like to also invite you for the weekend workshop with Swamiji, Attracting the Fortune, which is happening next weekend, March 10, 11. It's a 2.5-day program, so it's a new program, and everybody's looking forward to see what Swamiji is going to deliver to us during this program. And there's more programs. There's weekend program. Not weekend program, it's 2-day program, 5-day program, 10-day program, 21-day program, and 31-day program, and also the program where you can become a Nithyananda Acharya, which means teacher of Nithyananda Yoga. So there's many exciting programs happening all the time, and I will leave the link for all these programs underneath my video. And if you have questions and any of them would like to know more information about it, please contact me or comment on this video, and I will be happy to connect with you and share with you more information about it. So thank you all for watching. Nithyanandam.